Hey boys and girls, yesterday we talked about those pieces of those big words and we call them syllables. Let's do the word elephant. Put your hand under your chin. Let's see how many times our chin drops when we say it. Ready? Elephant. Elephant. Nice job. We're going to be practicing our syllable stomp. So I'm going to say the syllables and you tell me the word that's in my mystery bag. Here we go. Rooster. What's my word? Rooster. Nice job. Let's do our next one. Here we go. Ready? Peppermint. Peppermint. Nice job. Cheese. What's that word? Ooh, that was an easy one. Cheese. Last one. Jacket. Jacket. Nice job. Now, boys and girls, we're going to turn some words into new words by changing the first syllable. All right, here we go. We're going to start with the word napkin. Can you stomp out napkin with me? Ready? Napkin. What was that first syllable? Nap. What's the second syllable? Kin. We're going to change nap to pump. Are you ready? Pumpkin. What's our new word? You got it. Pumpkin. Here's the word baseball. Stomp out baseball with me. Ready? Baseball. Change base to foot. What's our new word? Football. What is it? Football. Great job. Here's our word reset. Can you stomp it out with me? Reset. Let's change re to sun. Are you ready? Sunset. What's our new word? Sunset. Nice job. Here's the word comic. Can you stomp out comic with me? Ready? Calm-ick. Change calm to pan. Pan-ick. What's our new word? Panic. Don't panic. Here's our next one. Running. Here we go. Ready? Running. Change run to swing. Ready? Swing-ing. Swinging is our new word. Nice job. Here's the word contest. Can you do it with me? Contest. Change con to re. Ready? Retest. What's our new word? Retest. Nice job. Ooh, our next word is purple. Here we go. Can you stomp out purple? Purple. Now we're going to change purr to stay. Ready? Stay. Pull. What's our new word? Staple. Good job. Ooh, here's backpack. Stomp out backpack with me. Backpack. We're going to change back to un. Are you ready? Unpack. Ooh, nice job. Unpack that box. Oh, stomp out radish with me. Ready? Radish. Ooh, here we go. Now we're going to change rad to fin. Fin-ish. What's our new word? Finish. Nice job. Ooh, stomp out cabin with me. Are you ready? Cab-in. Now we're going to change cab to rob. Are you ready? Rob-in. What's our new word? Robin. Nice job. Oh, boys and girls, you did a great job of doing our syllable stomp today. See you tomorrow.